government should never tolerate any kind of illegal activities, be it coal mining or anything. They should not tolerate. But however, I think sometimes, which is you know, your out of your eyesight or something like that, it becomes so difficult. But I was happy to see that the Home Minister has you know given a very clear indication and clear statement that stern action will be taken against those who are involved in the illegal mining.
So,
Worry about that is up to the government. I mean, what the Congress is telling, I have no. I'm is asking the government, so it's up to government to see how deep is the matter in one or two cases. And this was happening also, right earlier also, 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, it used to happen only. But one should not allow, one should not encourage. Any government means they have to come to, uh, you know, action. And since I have said just now that the Home Minister himself has already given a very strong statement that law will take its own course and stringent actions will be taken against those who are involved in these illegal activities. From my side, my personal thing, and the party also as a whole, we have never taken any lightly as far as illegal activities is concerned. See, I remember that few months ago, some people they just taking some pictures, some video for some trucks and all, which are plying on the road, and just saying that these are the coal trucks. There's so many trucks which are carrying essential commodities, which are crossing Meghalaya to Assam, to Mizoram and all, and in turn return back to Assam and all. Well, I'm not saying that there's no, that all those trucks are, only essential commodities, but I'm not there to see what is there. Let us come out with some proof or something like that. Now, this illegal mining, when recently what happened, that 5 people, were being inside the mining, and this is a clear case. So FIR has been filed. I'm sure government has taken some FIRs has been filed or whatever they have done, and Home Minister, has taken a very strong step on this, and he has assured that the government or the department will take very strong actions against those illegal. So we have to be specific in those things.
so
I
talking.
feel that it is needed at some point of time to ensure that as the Speaker of the House, I have to bring together all the honorable members of the Assembly. And I've seen, and for me also, I have learned a lot during our course of interaction, that we have different views, different experiences, different opinions have been shared by all the members who are there. So it enlightened us. So I think, as you only said that it was a huge success and it was appreciated by each and every from everywhere. So I think maybe sometime next week again we'll have another review. I think in this case, I think it's a collective, responsibility that we have taken, all of us, not only government, not only the opposition, not only me, not only the police, but it's a collective decisions. And I think this lockdown also, to some extent, yes, it has really helped, but I'm really thinking about those who are, on daily wages. They are the most who suffer. But anyway, I think government must have taken that into consideration before they take any further.